going to demonstrate how to use the dojoCMIS store in order to get a summary of a particular content type. Here you can see I have a folder with a content type and some custom properties all built using the model manager. Now I will show you an iCow template, and you can see here I've got a CMIS query of the properties I want to look at and a description of which columns I want to put into the table. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the repository . After going to the repository, go to the data dictionary and create a couple of folders. So the first folder to create is called Share Resources. And then under that folder we want another folder called Pages. So if I upload the publication page which I just showed you, now have to just change a couple of things before I can use it. So the first thing I need to change is the MIME type. And after I've changed the MIME type, I will need to change the document type. So first of all, change the MIME type to be JSON. And next I need to change the type to be a surf AMD page. Right, now that I've done that, I can go to the page . Like so, and you can see that I have my two folders which I created earlier. Now the nice thing I can do here is I can edit the properties in the table. And so if I change these here, and I've got drop down lists that are populated from the data model, and I've got different data types here. And those should all be saved. So if I go back to home, you can see it tells me that I added my boring paper. but I changed the title of this. Which might be why it's taking so long. So you can see it's changed the name. Now what I can also do, because this is a dojo store, I have a simple application built outside of Alfresco which does exactly the same thing but without using the iCow. So you can see here it's got all the values. If I change it in here, it's set up to save when the focus changes. So if we go back to here and look at my interesting paper, you can see that the date there has changed. So the changes are all happening. It's all happening via CMIS under the covers. This is a start, but because it's a dojo store, you can hook it up to just about any dojo widgets, which makes it very useful. That's it.